Hi everybody, it's Katrina. Got an Amazon haul for y'all. We're going to open this together. I've opened the box, but I haven't been through it yet. So we're going to go through this box. This was one of my orders that I've been waiting on. Alright, so let's start opening this order up now. I like those. I'm going to save those for last though. Alright. So I ordered some Bali Soap. Alright, and these are mainly for my men's basket. I may use a few of them in the women's baskets. But it comes with 6 bars of soap. So definitely man's basket. This is the bamboo charcoal. Mango. Passion fruit. Plumeria. Sandalwood. And cinnamon. So I definitely will be using these in my baskets. And like I told y'all, I'll be making some higher end baskets. So these items here will all go in those higher end baskets. Let's see. And Mom and them are out there doing something. I don't know what they're doing. Anyway, let's close this up. And it smells so good. Oh my gosh. It smells real good. Alright, that's the soap. I have, let's see. Alright, next I have these. Alright, and these are the body lotions. Alright. I'm not going to take them all out of the bag, but there's 2 of each and a total of 10 different fragrances. These are made from essential oils, and there's fragrances like grapefruit, shea butter, aloe, chamomile, honey, lavender. I will be including in my baskets as well. Now, I have 2 things that, y'all don't sleep on these because this is definitely a good buy. Alright, these are the 24 karat gold collagen eye mask. You get 30 in a box. And each pack has 2 of them in there. Alright, I will be including these too in my higher end baskets. I paid for 30 packs of these, or 30 pairs. I think it's $14. I'll double check that, but it was a very good price. So I went on and got these to go in my baskets. All right, and then this right here, y'all don't sleep on this. Y'all know, most of the time, I'm going to say all the time, because every now and then a man likes a refreshing bath to soak in. But most of the time, men take showers. Alright, so I got these shower steamers. And there's 3 different kinds here. These are the Lofas. And this is for relaxing. It has lavender, eucalyptus, and tea tree in it. This one is Refresh. It has eucalyptus, peppermint, tea tree, and ocean. And this one is fruit and flower. Watermelon, jasmine, and citrus. Alright, so let me just show you these real quick because these are so cool. I think that they will make a great addition to my spa baskets. You know, because I really like doing the spa baskets. Those are fun to me. But that's because I'm a bathtub freak. I love to be in the bath. All right. They are individually wrapped. So you can take them out of the package. You don't have to give a whole package for your item. Finger in there to get you on hot. There you go. Don't go against gravity, go with gravity. Alright, so they're individually wrapped like so. Little foils. Alright, and they're shower steamers. This one says Soothing Tea Tree. Essential, natural, close to nature scents. Alright. They're shower steamers. Put these in your men's baskets. They're going to love them. Okay. Because like I said, most of the time men take showers. And it's something that will help them relax, refresh them, and so on and so forth. So those were the items that arrived today. Still waiting on a couple of more packages, probably 5 more packages, and one of them has all my shrink wrap in it. So that's where I'm at right now. I wanted to share that with you, especially the shower steamers, because this is a good addition for your men's baskets, whether they're spa baskets or just baskets for men. Because men enjoy an occasional bath, but most of the time they take showers. You know, so try to design those baskets and stuff so they're profitable for you and they make sense to men in your men's baskets. All right, so I wanted to jump on and share that with you. I'm a little under the weather today. I'm going to take a little nap and then I'll be headed to the crafty corner. But in the meantime, you all make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. I appreciate all your advice, tips, tricks. LB, thank you so much. You know, sometimes we get a tip from another person on the platform, and you know, people tend to get mad when you say things and all that. I'm not one of those people. If you see me doing something that I shouldn't be, call me out on it, because I want to make sure I'm doing everything the right way and that it's beneficial to my customers, as well as putting the correct information out there in the airwaves. So, LBA, I appreciate your tip. I thank you for sending me that comment. The funny thing about it is that's something I knew. I just was not thinking about that when I was making those baskets last night. I really was not. I got off work. I ain't gonna make excuses. We're gonna leave it right there. I wasn't thinking about that. And I actually received an item like that one time, and the candy actually tasted like the chemical that was in the package. So the tip was that she sent me was to put the loose candy in a plastic bag or a jar, because if there's scented items in there, that scent might get into the candy, which makes a whole lot of sense, which of course is something we know, but I really wasn't thinking about that last night. So I appreciate you calling me out on that. The good news is I ain't got no shrink wrap. So those baskets are still open, and I can change that. I've got jars down there. I'm a crafter. Y'all know I got jars. I got plastic bags. I got some of all of that. And I will be fixing those. And I appreciate it. So, you know, y'all take those tips to heart and correct it. Do it. You know that there are other people out there looking out for you. You know, they're not just watching you. They're looking out for you. You know, so I appreciate any and all comments, the constructive criticism. If you think my price is too low, tell me. If you think it's too high, tell me. You know, what are your thoughts? You know, I appreciate all the feedback that you give me. So like and subscribe to my channel. I look forward to seeing you all on the tube. In the meantime, be blessed and be a blessing. Bye-bye.